Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Emily and Paul Easy English Conversations. I am Emily, and I'm really happy to be here with you again today. I hope you are feeling relaxed and ready to learn in a simple and friendly way. In this podcast, we speak slowly and clearly so you can understand and enjoy every moment.
Hi, everyone. I'm Paul, and I'm very excited to join you once again. No matter where you are right now, at home, at work, or maybe traveling, we are here with you. Our goal is to help you feel comfortable with English and build your confidence step by step without pressure.
That's right, Paul. Learning English does not need to be stressful or difficult. You don't need to be perfect, and you don't need to rush. Just listen carefully, stay calm, and enjoy this conversation like you are talking with friends.
Exactly, Emily. And one important thing we always say is this: you don't need to understand every single word. It's completely okay to miss some parts. The more you listen, the more your brain will naturally understand over time.
So, Paul, let's begin with something simple and natural. Tell me, how are you feeling today, and how was your morning? Try to explain it a little more so our listeners can learn from your sentences.
I'm feeling really good today, Emily. My morning was calm and peaceful, and I had enough time to prepare myself for the day. I woke up early, drank some water, and went outside for a short walk. The fresh air made me feel active and positive.
That sounds like a very healthy and peaceful start to the day. I also enjoy mornings because everything feels fresh and quiet. When I wake up early, I feel more focused and my mind stays clear for the rest of the day.
Yes, I completely agree with you. A good morning routine can change the whole day. But to be honest, sometimes I feel lazy and don't want to wake up early, especially when the weather is cold or when I sleep late.
That's completely normal, Paul. Everyone feels lazy sometimes, and it's okay. The important thing is not to feel bad about it. Just try again the next day and slowly build a good habit.
Yes, that's a good way to think. After my morning routine, I usually get ready for work and check my tasks. I like to plan my day because it helps me stay organized and reduces stress later.
Planning is a very powerful habit. When you write your tasks or think clearly about your day, your mind becomes more focused. It also helps you save time and avoid confusion during busy hours.
Exactly. And when I complete my tasks, even small ones, I feel very satisfied. It gives me a sense of achievement, and that motivates me to continue working and improving myself.
That's a great mindset to have. So, Paul, tell us a little more about your work. What do you do, and what do you enjoy the most about your job?
I work as an engineer, and my job is to design systems and solve problems. Sometimes it can be challenging and requires a lot of thinking, but I enjoy the process. I like finding solutions and learning something new every day.
That sounds very interesting and meaningful. I believe problem solving is an important skill in every field. It not only helps in work, but also makes you more confident in daily life situations.
Yes, absolutely. Every job has its own challenges, and that is what helps us grow. What about you, Emily? What do you enjoy most about your work?
I enjoy creating content and helping people learn English in a simple way. When someone understands something new because of my explanation, it makes me feel very happy and satisfied. It feels like my work has a purpose.
That's really inspiring, Emily. Helping others is one of the best feelings anyone can have. It creates a strong connection and gives real meaning to what we do every day.
Yes, absolutely. Now let's talk about something many learners feel, and that is fear while speaking English. Why do you think people feel nervous when they try to speak?
I think many people are afraid of making mistakes and being judged. They want to speak perfectly, and that pressure makes them nervous. But the truth is, mistakes are part of learning.
That's very true. Nobody is perfect in the beginning, and even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is to keep trying and not feel ashamed.
Yes, and practice is the key to confidence. When you speak more, you become more comfortable. Slowly, your fear disappears and you start enjoying the process.
Exactly. So, if someone is listening to us right now and feels scared, what simple advice would you like to give them?
I would say start with small sentences and practice every day. You can speak in front of a mirror, talk to your friends, or even record your voice. Step by step, you will improve.
That is excellent advice. Also, listening plays a very important role. When you listen to simple English conversations regularly, your brain learns naturally and speaking becomes easier.
Yes, I also learned many words just by listening again and again. At first, it feels slow, but with time, you will notice real improvement.
Now let's talk about dreams and goals. Paul, what is your dream and what motivates you every day to keep moving forward?
My dream is to create something useful that can help people in their daily life. It can be a machine, a system, or even a simple idea. What motivates me is the thought that my work can make life easier for someone.
That's a very meaningful dream. When your goal is connected to helping others, it gives you strong motivation. It also makes your journey more enjoyable and fulfilling.
Yes, and I believe everyone has a dream, even if it is small. The important thing is to take action and move forward slowly without giving up.
That's absolutely right. Dreams need time, patience, and consistent effort. But if you keep going, even small steps can bring big results.
Yes, consistency is the key. Doing a little every day is better than doing nothing. Over time, it creates a big difference.
Now let's talk about free time. What do you like to do when you want to relax and take a break from work?
Now let's talk about free time. What do you like to do when you want to relax and take a break from work?
That sounds very nice and relaxing. I enjoy reading books and thinking about new ideas. I also like spending quiet time alone because it helps me feel calm and focused.
Yes, quiet time is very important in today's busy life. It gives us a chance to understand ourselves better and think clearly about our goals.
Absolutely. Before we finish, let's share one simple message with our listeners.
My message is don't be afraid of making mistakes. Speak with confidence even if your English is not perfect. Practice every day and believe in yourself.
And my message is stay positive and be patient. Learning English takes time, but you are improving every single day, even if you don't notice it immediately.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. We really appreciate your time and effort, and we're happy to be part of your learning journey.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation and learned something useful. Keep practicing, stay happy, and never stop learning.
We will see you again in the next episode with more simple and helpful English conversations.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care of yourself and have a wonderful day ahead.